Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your password of the TalkTalk app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your TalkTalk app. So once you get logged into your account, you can see that there is no actual way to change your password of your TalkTalk account. If you go in edit profiles and check it out, there is no actual way to do it as well. So all you need to do to change your password is get logged out and log in through the Google accounts. So once you tap into Google, you can see your account, which can get you logged into your TalkTalk account. Now to change your password, you have to change the password of your email address, which will then change your TalkTalk password as well. So this is how you change your TalkTalk password. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.